Hey everybody, Jake here. I just wanted to do a quick video and show you guys some of the accessories that we've just added to the website and share some solutions that we commonly see these used for. First up, we'll get started with the one-hole strap. This is made for half-inch EMT conduit. We've had this available for 3/4 and 1-inch EMT conduit for a while, but now we have the half-inch version. And this is most commonly used to secure conduit to flat surfaces, or actually vice versa, desks and shelves and things like that. Basically, it just snaps over the conduit. This is half-inch EMT, as I said. Snaps over it and secures on there. It has like a little bump that basically, secures it on the conduit. And then you can attach your flat surfaces by just adding a screw or a bolt through this pre-drilled hole into your surface. And we've seen people use this in gardening builds. So if you have a raised garden bed that's wooden, you can kind of secure your trellis or your enclosure to the side of it. And then also, as I said, we see it commonly used for desks and shelves and things like that, where you have your frame finished and then you put your flat material on top, and then you just secure the material to the frame using the pre-drilled hole. There's also been all kinds of clever hacks and uses for this. We've seen it used in gate latches. We've seen it used for a quick removable top, so you can flip it over basically where it sits flush with the material that you're attaching like this, and it allows you to basically pop up and down the material, which is really cool. And there's been other uses as well. It's just a really useful thing. It's not that expensive. And all of these things are actually made for electricians, and you can find them off the shelf, but we figure we add these kinds of things just in case you need them in your DIY builds, and you want to go ahead and just pick them up from us while you're shopping and getting connectors and things, just to make it a little bit easier on you so you don't have to pick them up in store. But that's a one-hole strap, a great accessory and a great solution. Next up, very similar to one-hole straps, are two-hole straps. And now we have these available for all three sizes. We didn't have any two-hole straps available before, but now we have them for half-inch, 3/4, and 1-inch EMT conduit. And very similar to the one-hole straps, these snap onto the conduit, as you see here. And they're different because they have two tabs instead of one. And this works great if you have maybe like the middle of a material that you're securing. So as you can see here, so if you need to secure two screws and you have conduit that's like in the middle of a surface, then you can screw down on those two holes and really secure a material, as opposed to the one hole strap where you're kind of limited to that one hole instead of the two. So the two hole strap is a great solution for pipes, as I said, that are in the middle of a material that you need to secure. And they're really great for that. And as I said, we've got them for half-inch, 3/4, and 1-inch EMT conduit. And also available for all three sizes, we have conduit hanger straps available now. We've seen these used for all sorts of things. Most commonly, these are actually made, as I said, for electricians, and they're called hanger straps because they're used to basically secure to a wall, or I think even the ceiling in some cases. And they have this flat edge with a hole, secure it to a wall, and then you can actually run the conduit through the hole here, use the included bolt and nut to clamp it down on the pipe. And as I've said, we've seen this used for that mainly, and also other solutions like a duck blind. Somebody used these to basically adapt their duck blind build and the frame to their boat, which is really cool. We recently saw these used in a clever drawer slide mechanism for a flight simulator. So they're just a really useful accessory for all kinds of different things that you need to basically secure conduit to a flat surface or vice versa, as you can see here. And you can actually potentially use these in place of one-hole or two-hole straps, depending on the exact solution that you're after and what you're trying to accomplish, because this has a little bit of a gap between the flat surface and the conduit, as you can see there. So maybe you need to get a little bit of elevation for your material. Who knows? But these are the different accessories that we've added, and they're all available on the website. They'll be linked down below. Thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.